Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore MongoDB data using mongorestore backups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore MongoDB data using mongorestore backups, start by ensuring you have a backup to restore from. Locate the backup directory where your MongoDB dump is stored. Open your command line interface. Ensure that MongoDB is installed and running on your system. Navigate to the directory containing your MongoDB backups using the cd command. Type the mongorestore command followed by the path to your backup. If you want to restore to a specific database, use the DB option along with your database name. For example, type mongorestore db your database name /path/ to /backup. If the backup contains multiple collections, you can restore them all by specifying just the path to the backup. You can also use the drop option to drop each collection before restoring it. This prevents duplicate data from being inserted into your collections. Combine the commands as needed, such as mongorestore drop /path/ to /backup. If your backup requires authentication, include the user and password options. For instance, use username your username and password your password. If you're using a specific host or port, specify them using host in port. After entering the command, press the Enter key to execute the restore process. Monitor the command line output for any errors or messages indicating the process status. Once the restoration is complete, check the MongoDB database to verify that the data has been restored correctly. You can use the MongoDB shell or a GUI tool to browse the collections. Ensure that all expected data is present and correctly formatted. If everything looks good, your MongoDB data restoration is successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.